What's up, guys? Mathletics back here again for another video. Today, we're taking a look at the Pythagorean Theorem. Okay, the Pythagorean Theorem. Here's our formula for the Pythagorean Theorem. We're going to do as best as we can to make this easy for you so that you understand this. It's really not difficult, so let's jump right in. Okay, first of all, we know that this relationship is true. So this says that side A squared plus side B squared equals side C squared. You can see here, I have my right triangle set up. We always use a right triangle when we're talking about Pythagorean's theorem. Okay, it does not work for other triangles, just for a right triangle. Okay, so here we go. C is always going to be hypotenuse. Okay, that is the longest side. Excuse me, that's the side opposite the right angle. Okay, so let's go ahead and start plugging these things in. Let's solve for C, okay? This one's not too difficult. So I have A squared plus B squared equals C squared. A squared is 3, so we got 3 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. Let's do a little algebra. 3 squared is 9 plus 16 equals C squared. 9 and 16 is 25, so this is 25 equals C squared. To solve for C, I undo everything that's happening to C. Okay, so what's happening to C? It's being squared. How do I undo that? I take the square root of both sides. Okay, C equals 5. Now, we would not say it is negative 5 because we're talking about a distance, and a distance can never, ever be negative. So we don't need to worry about positive, negative 5, just positive 5. Okay, let's move on. This one might be a little bit tougher. This time I'm given the hypotenuse, and I've got to solve for this side here. Let's call this side B. I've got to solve for side B. So let's set it up. I've got A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Let's fill in what I know. Okay, A is 8, so we're going to say 8 squared plus B squared equals C squared. We'll go ahead and fill in for C here. That's 12, so 12 squared. Okay, so 8 squared is 64 plus B squared equals 144. So let's use our calculators here. We'll subtract 64 from both sides. Here it cancels. I'm left with B squared equals, if you punch that in your calculator, you'll find that it is 80. Okay, we're going to take the square root of both sides. And you'll find that B is somewhere around 8.94. Now, what if your teacher selects for you to not do this? So don't use your calculators. What can you do? Well, you can take the square root of 80. Okay, and we can pull some things out of it. I know that 80 is equal to the square root of 8 times 10. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, and 10 is 2 times 5. I have to have 2 of something to pull it out. So there's one set of 2. Here's another set of 2. So on the outside, we're going to have 2 times the square root of 5. 2 times 2 is 4 times the square root of 5. Both of these are the same. If you punch it in on your calculator, you will find that they are the same number. Hey, that's all I got for today. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It does it a lot more for me than you would think. So please help me out. I'll be coming back with more of these videos. You guys have a great day.